Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, I've got another challenge lock. This one here is called Fast 5. It is made by Trucking Lock, Mr. Trucker. Link to Trucker's channel will be in the title of this video. It is a Schlage SC1 core mortise lock 5-pin. I have opened this before, I'm just not sure if I've got it. And we're gonna see if we can open it again and then give it a little gutty gut. A little gutty gut.
I'll sometimes just keep, because sometimes when I'm watching something on TV, I can pick a lot easier if I'm not paying attention to what I'm actually picking. And so I will do that in the videos, and then that's usually the ones you hear, like, see that are silent. That's the ones I do that in, like some of my shorts. I'll do that because I do it just a lot better when I'm not trying to do it. I don't know why. Steve, I gotta review it to make sure I don't do anything stupid.
I watched mine through all the way through. And usually I will do it on fast forward, but it's
Isn't it? And then by the time you're done, you're like, I am such an idiot. Who even is gonna watch me? This is
especially spent so much time editing. So yeah. It's like I'm doing the content over and over, and I hear my own voice, and I'm just like,
you're just so annoyed by the end. At least I get that way. I'm like, oh, this is ridiculous. I'm like, why am I so stupid? And then I just think like, I can't do another second of myself. And then there's times I have to stop and just pick it up the next day because I just can't stand myself anymore. Yeah, you can listen to non-copyright music to not need to edit it out. Oh my god. Only because she once had to stop recording at work and a guy walked in asking, am I bleeding from my instead?
Okay, so that is the open. Let's grab a penning tray, tweezers. Let's lock it back up. Okay.
Oh my lord. Hashtag CMS life. I love it. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. Oh, that would be so funny. I can't imagine. Am I bleeding from my goodness? I'm guessing probably their tongue. Probably their tongue.
oh yeah, James, he uses preacher cadence. And that kind of really it does hold your attention when you emphasize certain words, pause. It forces you to really pay attention to what the person's saying.
Yeah. I found what's that? So not forces but encourages. Right. Yeah. I found on YouTube though that the silence and the space in between talking makes people just up and leave a lot of times. Like if it's too much or if I
All right, so 5 key pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 5 is serrated. Number 3, serrated. Number 2, spoolish. Number 1, sort of like a spool, torpedo, same type of
that's when more people will stay through the video as well.
same type of business. And last but not least here, we've got a standard. Nothing done on it. Plug is clean.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Alright.
Listen, heading out, gonna go monthly Blocksport meetup. Have a great weekend. Well, thanks for popping by, Steve.
So we'll start at the front here so we can use our light.
At your meetup. Tell everybody at the meetup we said hey. Tell
Okay.
everybody at the meetup to tune into the live stream and watch while they're.
What do we got here? Number 1.
How about that?
Nice big fat
Who used to do that?
spool.
Who used to do that? Somebody used to do that. They would go to the meetup and play the live stream at the same time the meet.
Number
I
2.
can't remember who that was. That was
Wow, like an elongated T-pin.
So is this something you'll be leaving out of your sensors meeting?
Number 3.
Yeah.
Another spool, fat bottom, sharp lip top.
Yeah. Go do the weekly safety meeting to make sure nobody's gonna have those same issues.
Alright, so number 1.
Seems to just cut out all the quiet spots. He talks fast when he talks. Yeah.
Number 1 is standard. And last but not least, we got
Yeah, my editing app, I can
2.
actually say.
Oh
I
boy.
can actually have it cut out
Double
all
spool.
the space. Like if I'll tell it like anything larger than this amount of space cut, and then it'll cut it all, and it'll.
And a different spring on too. Okay, so let's bring this up and take a look here, guys. Alrighty. So that's Fast 5 there by Trucking Lock. We got key pins 1 and 2, torpedo or spoolish. 3 and 5, serrations. Number 4, standard. Driver number 1, we have a fat lip spool. Driver number 2, elongated T-pin. Driver number 3, a little sharp spool. Driver number 4, double spool. And driver number 5, we got like a, ooh, what is that? That's a standard. Okay, just being silly. Okay, that was a fun lock. And I do have a bit of experience with it because it's not my first time. So that's all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to share that with you, get it on film once and for all. That is Fast 5 by Trucking Lock. Make sure you guys go check out Mr. Trucker. He's a great guy, black belt level picker, and upstanding member in the community. All right, guys, that's all I got for you this time. Until next time, like, subscribe, share, comment. I will catch you later. Ciao.